Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Prakriti and this is a NYKAA haul. I bought some skincare, hair care and makeup products from NYKAA because they have their end of season sale going on right now. So I just went a little bit crazy and bought some stuff. A lot of stuff. Before we move forward, I want to request you guys to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and also turn on the notification so that you get notified every time I upload. With that being said, let's dive into skincare first. The first product that I have over here is a repurchase. This is the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum with vitamin C and turmeric. I love this serum. I love it because your skin does not depend on it. I mean, you can leave it whenever you want and you won't feel that you are not providing something to your skin. It's gorgeous for dry skin, gives you a perfect glow, and it also works on hyperpigmentation. And I'm saying all of this after using a whole bottle of this product, and I do have a video reviewing this serum and also their vitamin C toner. So if you want a detailed review, you can just click on the cards over here and I have linked the video. The next product on my list was this Face Shop Bright Light Cleansing Oil. It is a bit costlier than your normal micellar water, but this removes makeup so effectively. I've used it once and I'm pretty impressed with this. It removed everything, even waterproof makeup and also the waterproof mascara that I applied. I think I'm really going to enjoy this product. Plus it leaves your skin so soft if you have dry skin. The next product is this Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Now I really adore a good moisturizer because I have really dry cheeks, forehead and lips. I have tried another Cetaphil moisturizer 2 or 3 times and I really liked it because it has a very thick kind of formula. Obviously I do not apply it in my T-zone because my T-zone is oily, but I do apply it on my cheeks and forehead, so that's why I bought this moisturizer, because I'm expecting it to be a bit more thicker than your normal gel kind of moisturizer. Now this has vitamin E and B5 and it claims to moisturize your skin for 24 hours. So next up we have my favorite purchase, which are these sheet masks. They had like a offer, you know, 7 pe 7 free, so that's why I bought these sheet masks. I buy these sheet masks only when they have this offer that you buy 7 and you get 7 free. These are the NYKAA Skin Secret sheet masks. Also I try using them in the most limited way possible because I know that sheet masks are not that good for environment. Once I buy 14 sheet masks, they last for almost 7 to 8 months for me, even more than that sometimes. I generally use these for shaving my face and I shave once or twice a month. I also have a full detailed shaving routine in the card, so please check it out if you want to see how I shave my face. Obviously every mask in here has its own quality. For example, this is a strawberry argan oil, so it's for a blemish free and glowing skin. Alrighty guys, so those were all the skincare products. Now let's get to the hair care products. I have some products over here. There are not a lot of them, but yes, I am going to start with a serum. So I bought this new serum because I wanted to try it so bad, and every time I wanted to purchase it, it was out of stock. So this time I grabbed it and on discount. So first up we have this Streaks Professional Whiter Rich Gloss Hair Serum. This is how it looks, the blue bottle one. I bought this as a replacement of my Total Repair 5 serum from L'Oreal, but this one is really good, you guys. So I have tried it today in the morning. I have to be honest over here, I don't see a lot of change in my hair after trying this. I applied it on wet hair, but the fragrance was really good and it left me with a nice refreshing hair. So the other hair care products that I have is a shampoo and a conditioner. I have tried this shampoo a couple of times, I would say, and I have also tried this conditioner a couple of times. So the shampoo that I have over here is the Saint Botanica Coconut and Bamboo Hydrating Shampoo. This smells like pure coconut and it has got no sulfates, no harmful chemicals, no paraben, mineral oil and silicones. It is also made up of pure oils. Now story time. I am facing a lot of hair fall, to be honest. I don't know whether it's because of sulfates or the weather, you know, it's monsoon. I really don't know, but I have switched to a sulfate and chemical free shampoo because it can be a cause. Sulfate can be a cause for hair fall. Now next I have this L'Oreal Series Expert Pro Keratin Liss Unlimited Smoothing Mask. This is it, and to be honest I've used it once and for me it's a waste of money. I have to say that because it did nothing to my hair. I applied it and left it for 5 minutes, but still my hair was the same as it would be if I just apply shampoo. Next up, I have two pastel shades from the NYKAA Nail Enamel. The yellow one is in the shade Lemon Pudding and the purple one is in the shade Lavender Drizzle. This one is matching my backdrop. These are very calm pastel colors. They are just as portrayed on the website. I mean, there's no color difference. They look exactly the same. I've not tried these till now, but I'm really excited to try these. Once that is done, we are going to move to makeup, you guys, and I have all of the makeup stuff protected in here because I am thinking of doing another video, a one brand makeup tutorial, almost that kind of a video with these products. I have a box full of Swiss Beauty makeup products, you guys. I guess I will be doing a full face of first impressions with these Swiss Beauty products. Not full face because I was not able to grab all the products, but I made sure that I buy all the popular products. I was not able to grab many base products for my face, but I do have some. I have a concealer which is actually a wrong shade, and I was not able to buy a foundation because they only had 1 or 2 shades in all of their foundations, which I mean is kind of disappointing. I am not going to reveal all the product info in this video because I am going to save that for the next video. First up, I have the Swiss Beauty Long Lasting Makeup Fixer. Then I have their Quicksand 12 color eyeshadow palette, their liquid concealer, brick highlighter, and I also have their setting powder. Now let's go to lips. For my lipstick, I have one shade from their Ultra Smooth Matte Lipstick. Plus, how can I forget their most popular product, which is the liquid eyeshadow. So if you want to see a detailed first impression review of all of these products, and if you want to see me try on and create a bomb look, then you have to wait for the next video and obviously turn on the notifications because you really don't want to miss that video. That's it for this video. Those were all the products that I have. And yes, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!